Alright guys, I just thought I'd make this quick little video. It is currently in Cambodia, where I am, December 31st. About 6:30. So less than 6 hours till the new year happens here. And I just wanted to say Happy New Year. Depending on what time you see this, your time zone, and where you are in the world, it might be the day before still. There's a very good chance of that, but I just wanted to get that out there because I'm real bad at those kind of holiday greetings. They kind of get lost over here. So especially the ones that aren't celebrated, you're not constantly reminded, they kind of creep up on you. And also thanks to Halfway Around the World, he made his Happy New Year video, and that reminded me perhaps I should do the same. So, taking a walk down by the Siem River. It's a really, really beautiful night. I mean, beautiful. There's a nice breeze, but it's not really windy. It's very cool outside. And speaking of that, for the first time since I've been here, on my walk to work this morning, about 6:30, 6:45, I actually felt cold for the first time. I mean, like I had goosebumps on my arms. It was a very chilly morning. So I looked at my weather and realized it was like 17 degrees Celsius, which is, I don't know, 64, 63. And I thought, this is strange. This should not make me cold. This is a nice spring day back where I come from. It would be beautiful. I might still be actually a little warm. So yeah, the little things you don't notice, that, you know, you acclimate to your environment. And you don't really notice it until something like that happens, and you start complaining that it's cold if it gets below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, acting like a local. Like, oh, I should have brought a jacket. Pretty weird. But yeah, wherever you are, I hope you have a happy new year, a safe new year. For some reason, I went to finish my last week at my current school, and the other teacher didn't show up, so I had to have both the preschool and the kindergarten class together, which is almost an impossible task to teach both of them something because of the difference in their advancement of English, how advanced they are. But we may do. And then at the end of the day, they said that there would be no school tomorrow, but to come back Wednesday. And I still have no idea why. Nobody really explained it to me. Just said no school tomorrow. It's not a holiday here. They don't celebrate the Western New Year. And there was nothing said about it being that reason. So I seriously don't know why. But anyway, no school for me tomorrow, which is cool because I got a couple things I have to do anyway. The school that my friend Lyndon recommended me to, and recommended for me, they're interested. She told me to email her my CV packet. She would print it out and give it right to the principal, which is awesome. Thank you, Lyndon, by the way. I really do appreciate all your help. So hopefully I can get an interview soon, maybe sometime this week. The school itself is not in Siem Reap, but they will do the interview, as far as I know, in Siem Reap. They have an office here in Siem Reap. So I'll be doing my interviewing here, and if it works out, if they like me and I accept their terms, I'll be moving to a town that is approximately the halfway point between Siem Reap and Phnom Penh. It's about a 3.5-hour drive from Siem Reap and about the same from there to Phnom Penh. It's called Kampong Thom. Kampong Thom. And land-wise, landmass, it's the second largest city in Cambodia. But not people-wise, which tells me it's probably really big and spread out, but it's not dense in population, which is actually really good. And the thing that's funny to me, that when I think about moving, I think for me it'll be really bittersweet. And of course, this right now it's an if, so don't read too much into it. You never know what's going to happen. But when I think about it, and like it is really bittersweet, because I love Siem Reap. I've been here a whole year. I still find it very enjoyable. I like it. But on the other hand, new adventures await. And I'm kind of, the sweet part comes because I'm kind of excited about moving to another place and, you know, diving right into a new town, finding the best new little spots, exploring a little bit, seeing what that town has to offer. So yeah, but the thing that really gets me is that when I left from America to come here, it was not bittersweet, it was just sweet. I never thought, oh, I'm just going to miss all these things and I'm going to be homesick, which has yet to happen. I never looked back, didn't think about it. But the fact now that I'm leaving one town in Cambodia, going to another one, makes me feel the way I should have felt about leaving my country and coming here is just kind of weird. Maybe I'm just wired wrong, I don't know. Well, here you go, look out over the river. The other bridge down that way, very nice. All the lights up by the river, and there's Seng Lai, if you can see her. Say hello. Hey. All right. Anyway, this is a real quick video, just to say Happy New Year, and hope everybody stays safe. If you're going to make resolutions, make them something plausible. And wait at least a week before you break them, because you will, right? We can all agree on that, right? Okay, good. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get across this madness of this intersection here. There's a child here. I don't know what that child wants. Money, I'm assuming. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in the next one.